Alright, stoners, here we go. There is another elephant basking. The sun is not the same one. He's washing himself off, having a cool time. Look at him, he's a giant. Oh man, I want to go join him, man. He looks so like he's having fun.
It's hot here, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to Jack's picnic spot. Apparently, we can get something to eat here, which is a good thing.
I'm hungry.
It's in an enclosure coming up ahead of us. So let's see what we can find in Jack's picnic spot. There we go. It's just coming. What, the animals have learned to push the button?
Yeah, but they can learn to read.
You mean I've learned to read the button, push the button. That whole keep rolling story, that sounds a bit in South African language cheesy. And I know that you must be getting dizzy from Taz's arm movements, so we've got to figure out how to get her arm movements balanced slightly. Here's a little, hey, it's like a whole vibe, eh? Look at that. Wow, man. Hey, guys, this is where you got to come and chill out, light up, do your thing.
Let's just go tell her we've got a big food.
Can we just go and get food? Is there a spot to buy food?
We'll make friendly.
Our own food. So we just
Hold on, they've got a cooler box. Let's go
we
make
just
food.
we just came here
Yeah, there's our
with
mates.
nothing
They're not us.
to eat, not even some gemsbok dravos. That's crazy. All right, well, at least we can get our cool drinks out the back.
Yes, it's not good then.
Although, what's that big building there? You think so? I don't think so. Taz said there was. She actually convinced us to come here.
Just to be clear,
Let's be the
when he says
spark.
keep rolling, obviously rolling.
Let's light the
That's
flame.
why it's getting confusing, and that's why I think we
All right, there's no food here. But let's get our cool drinks out the backyard. I think I will just stop right here and go and do the honors. And in the meantime, guys, keep rolling. Have a good day.
It's already established.
Rolling stone, never